Mm. Oh my god, guys, did you hear that sound? I'm parked here, but I hear that really strange sound and I don't know where it is. So strange, you know? That is just weird. Really strange sounds and I don't know where it is from. I must admit there are some factories here, so maybe it comes from there. But the sound is so strange, and I come here a lot, but I've never heard it. Mm. I'm here now in I'm now here in the Netherlands, Wijk aan Zee, and the time is 11 45 in the like you can see in the morning. Oh, but what do you guys think about this? Oh, this strange sound. Mm. Mm. Don't hear anything now. It is just from time to time you hear something. Mind me. I am eating. I hope you don't mind. I was so hungry, you know. So I hope you guys don't mind. Mm. I don't hear anything. So annoying. Before I was planning to film, I heard a lot of those sounds. But now I'm finally filming. Now I don't hear that much of that sound. I just keep the camera on just for 4 minutes. And if I then still don't hear anything, I will shut the camera off. Come on, sound. I wanna hear it again. Oh, fuck. Sorry for my language. I don't hear anything. How is that possible? That is annoying. I heard so much of that noise. I wanna hear it again. It was so strange. But I also don't dare to shut my camera off, because then maybe the sound will come back. I always have that, you know, that sort of things. That is so annoying. Hmm. I think I will not hear anything anymore. I will wait for 2 minutes. Yeah, I will wait 2 minutes and then I will stop. No. Oh shit. Why are people always looking when you are in the car? This guy is looking at me, so strange. I hear that also from other YouTubers. If you are in your car, that people always need to look into your car or so. Look, yeah, looks again. Yeah, so uncomfortable. Yeah, I really find that so uncomfortable. Only thing I am doing is just eating, and I'm just in my car. That's the only thing I am doing. That's not strange, right? Eating in your car. I don't know how that can be strange. However, the sound is gone, so I'm gonna shut off. And I'm a bit disappointed, but it is what it is. Bye.